Hey there, everyone. How's it going? My name is Henry, and in this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Nicoya PuraTea before you decide to purchase it. I'll also give you some crucial warnings, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video to avoid wasting your money. First and most important warning. Be cautious about where you purchase this product. Currently, Nicoya PuraTea is only available on its official website. To make things easier for you, I've added the official link in the video description below and pinned it in the first comment. Now, let's dive into the details. I'm here to share my experience with Nicoya PuraTea and help you decide whether it's worth it. What is Nicoya PuraTea? Nicoya PuraTea is a revolutionary weight loss supplement designed to tackle the root causes of stubborn fat. Unlike traditional diet pills that simply cut calories, this supplement is formulated with a unique blend of 8 clinically proven natural ingredients. These ingredients work together to detoxify your body, regulate hormonal health, enhance your natural fat-burning process while you sleep. Manufactured in the United States, Nicoya PuraTea is produced in a cutting-edge facility that follows strict quality standards to ensure its safety and effectiveness. By using both domestic and globally sourced ingredients, it delivers premium quality while fitting into modern lifestyles for natural and efficient weight management. How does Nicoya PuraTea work? Nicoya PuraTea targets the key obstacles that make weight loss difficult, including hormonal imbalances, toxin buildup, disrupted sleep cycles. Here's how it works. Detoxification. The formula helps your body eliminate harmful toxins, like adaptogens, which are linked to fat storage. Boosted metabolism. It enhances your metabolic function, making it easier to convert stored fat into energy. Better sleep quality. By improving non-REM sleep, the supplement supports the body's natural restorative processes, leaving you more energized and focused during the day. Nicoya PuraTea takes a holistic approach to weight management, helping you achieve sustainable results while improving your overall wellness. So, if you are looking for a natural, effective way to support your weight loss journey, Nicoya PuraTea might be the solution you have been searching for. Don't forget to check the official link below to ensure you're getting the genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.